Freedom24 and TradingView are two popular platforms used for trading and investing in the financial markets. To determine which one is best for you, it is essential to understand their features, advantages, and disadvantages. First, let us consider Freedom24, a brokerage firm that provides access to a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, options, and futures. Freedom24 offers a user-friendly interface, low commissions, and a variety of trading tools. However, it may lack the advanced technical analysis capabilities and social trading features offered by other platforms. On the other hand, TradingView is a social trading platform that provides a comprehensive set of tools for technical analysis, charting, and market discussion. TradingView offers a large community of traders, real-time market data, and a wide range of indicators and trading strategies. However, it does not offer direct trading capabilities and requires users to connect to a brokerage firm to execute trades. When choosing between Freedom24 and TradingView, consider your trading goals and experience level. If you are a beginner, Freedom24 may be a better option due to its simplicity and ease of use. However, if you are an advanced trader looking for advanced technical analysis capabilities and social trading features, TradingView may be the better choice. In terms of cost, Freedom24 offers competitive commissions and fees, while TradingView offers both free and paid plans, depending on the level of service required. Ultimately, the choice between Freedom24 and TradingView depends on your individual needs and preferences. It is recommended to try out both platforms and determine which one best suits your trading style and goals. By considering the features, advantages, and disadvantages of both Freedom24 and TradingView, you can make an informed decision and choose the platform that is right for you. Remember to always prioritize risk management and trading discipline, regardless of the platform you choose.